All right, we have some breaking news now coming in at the moment. Delhi cops are at Arvind Kejriwal's house. Delhi cops have reached CM Kejriwal's residence. The forensic team is also at Delhi Chief Minister's house. This is in connection with the probe that is taking place involving Swati Maliwal. Swati Maliwal, who's the Aam Aadmi Party's Rajya Sabha MP, has alleged that she was assaulted by Arvind Kejriwal's personal assistant, Bibhav Kumar. This is some big development now taking place. The Delhi police team is at Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence at the moment. They've already reached Arvind Kejriwal's house on May 13th. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party MP Swati Maliwal had alleged that she was at Arvind Kejriwal's house. She had gone to meet him, but while she was waiting in the drawing room of Arvind Kejriwal's house, Kejriwal's PA Bibhav Kumar came and assaulted her. She has also filed an FIR now. Just yesterday, the FIR was filed in connection with the case, and after that, Delhi cops are at Arvind Kejriwal's residence at the moment. We're learning a forensic team has also reached the Delhi Chief Minister's residence. We'll try and get more details about this in just a bit. Meanwhile, the Aam Aadmi Party also had tweeted about this video that has gone viral now on social media, in which Swati Maliwal can be seen sitting in Arvind Kejriwal's house, in the drawing room of Arvind Kejriwal's house, and she was heard having a spat with the Chief Minister's guards, after which the Aam Aadmi Party tweeted that this shows the truth of the incident. However, Swati Maliwal also had earlier tweeted saying that this was not the complete story. It was not the complete video that was put out by the hitman. Who was she referring to? Whether it's Arvind Kejriwal or Bibhav Kumar, well, that remains under the realm of speculation, but we do understand in the FIR she hasn't mentioned Kejriwal's name. However, there are details coming out that in the call that she had made to the PCR when the assault had taken place on May 13th, well, in that call, she had allegedly mentioned that it was on the behest of Arvind Kejriwal, that his PA, Bibhav Kumar, had hit her. Now, in the FIR that has been registered against Arvind Kejriwal's PA, Bibhav Kumar, it's clearly mentioned Swati Maliwal has alleged that she was hit on her chest, on her stomach, on her lower body by Arvind Kejriwal's PA. Well, the Delhi police, of course, at the moment is trying to establish contact with Bibhav Kumar, but so far they have been not been able to do so. They've not been able to establish any contact with Bibhav Kumar. The NCW also had issued a notice to Arvind Kejriwal's PA to appear before the NCW today morning, but he did not comply. Now, a second summons has been issued to Bibhav Kumar. Well, this time around, will he comply with the summons? That remains to be seen, but he is nowhere to be found. Well, the face-off, of course, has escalated between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. The BJP is gunning for Arvind Kejriwal's resignation, saying that he's trying to shield his PA, Bibhav Kumar. Arvind Kejriwal himself, as we do understand, is out on interim bail in the liquor policy case. He is out on interim bail for campaigning in the Lok Sabha elections. He is expected to surrender before the court on June 2nd. But before that, this major controversy has erupted. All right, those are the visuals now coming in from outside Delhi Chief Minister's residence. A team of Delhi police is at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. My colleague Ishwarya joins us on the broadcast here. Ishwarya, forensic team is also at the Delhi Chief Minister's house at the moment.
Well, certainly after Swati Maliwal recorded her statement in front of the district magistrate, it was under several sections of the IPC. The statements were recorded, and as far as 164 is concerned, then definitely this will mount trouble on Bibhav Kumar, as Delhi police is now going on for further investigation. Currently, the Delhi police team along with the forensic team has reached at Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence at Civil Lines, and there they will be investigating further as to what was the place of the entire incident. Where was Swati Maliwal sitting? Because remember, video has also went viral in terms of what Swati Maliwal had been saying. Of course, Swati Maliwal has reacted to that video, saying that this is a half furnished truth, a part of that entire controversy, and that incident had been showcased, and this has been clearly not very much true. So to investigate further and to collect more evidences from the Chief Minister's residence, whether it is the CCTV footages of that drawing room where that entire incident happened, or to record statements of those officials inside the Chief Minister's residence who were present at the time this assault happened. To gather all those information, now a team of Delhi police and forensic team has arrived, and they will be collecting further evidence. But certainly, several sections of the IPC, as I mentioned, was under which the statement of Swati Maliwal has been recorded, and this can be a direct hint for and a direct message to Vivek Kumar that he can be arrested, because this is non-bailable in itself. We have been told the Delhi police team currently is looking at Vivek Kumar. Sources within the Aam Aadmi Party clearly stating to us that he might be in Punjab, in Amritsar, and Delhi police can contact the Punjab government as well, the Punjab police over there, if Delhi police teams have to go there to arrest him.